Yo! Merry Christmas, everyone! My name is Alex Kouras, and Christmas is finally upon us. And you know what that means? Presents! Don't be that guy during the holidays that just receives presents and doesn't actually gift them to anybody. And you know who I'm talking about, Jimmy. And just so you all know, today's video is sponsored by Manscaped, and the reason why is because I actually genuinely really like their products and what their brand represents. I get hundreds of offers to promote brands, but Manscaped is professional and in my opinion actually offers quality products. Personally, their products do exactly what I expect them to do, and I've never had a reason to not like them. So I've been an avid customer of Manscaped for over 7 months now, and they just sent me some brand new products that I think would be perfect gifts for any guy during the holiday season. So to kick off this 2020 gift guide, the first and second gift idea will both be a part of the Manscaped's Performance Package, which includes the Weed Whacker and the Lawnmower 3.0. So when you purchase Manscaped's Performance Package, you will receive the Weed Whacker, Lawnmower 3.0, Ball Toner, Ball Deodorant, and then a free pair of boxers and a travel bag. So if there's one thing I really like, it's that Manscaped delivers their products in a really cool package, so you know your products won't be messed up when you get them in the mail. And on top of that, they add their "Your Balls Will Thank You" slogan on the interior of the box, which is a really cool feature. But I think they should change it to say "Your Jingle Balls Will Thank You," given that it's Christmas time, and maybe add some green and red colors in there. So the first main gift that I want to talk about is Manscaped's Weed Whacker, which is their electric nose hair trimmer. So according to Manscaped, the Weed Whacker is a revolutionary electric ear and nose hair trimmer featuring skin-safe technology and has a powerful 600 mAh lithium-ion battery. The Weed Whacker has a really unique contour design similar to the Lawnmower 3.0, and it also has a 9,000 RPM motor. The Weed Whacker is also waterproof, so it's pretty convenient if you want to cut your hair when it's dry or cut your hair in the shower. So now over to the second gift within the Manscaped Performance Package. The Lawnmower 3.0 is Manscaped's third generation lawnmower trimmer. It offers what they call skin-safe technology, which is really just a fancy way of saying that there's a gap between the white ceramic blade and the metal backing. It has a rechargeable battery that should last over 90 minutes of trimming, a waterproof ergonomic design, and an adjustable guard with 2 lengths. So the other additional gifts within this performance package, we have the ball toner and the ball deodorant. The ball deodorant has aloe vera infused in the formula, and it's used as a quick absorbing gel talcum, so kind of like a talcum powder if you're chafing, only with a nice smell. The ball toner spray also has aloe vera infused in it and is designed for highly sensitive and high friction areas of the body. The performance package also comes with the magic mat, which is what you place down on the floor to catch all of the falling hair you're cutting off. And something that I really like about Manscaped is that with the performance package, they're gonna give you guys a free travel bag and free anti-chafing boxers along with the purchase. And on top of that, they're giving you guys free shipping as well, so you really can't beat that offer. So the third main gift that is separate from the performance package is Manscaped's Refined Cologne. So the Refined Cologne comes in this really cool 50 milliliter spray bottle, and as you guys can see on the back of the spray bottle, it says that the Manscaped Refined Cologne has a clean scent with a citrus blast and touches of jasmine, anchored by a vetiver or a vetiver. Not really sure how to pronounce that, but it does smell really good. It's a light yet masculine pleasing fragrance. So the Refined Cologne smells very similar to the ball toner and the ball deodorant smells. The scent of the cologne is pretty much their signature scent that they put in all of their formulations, only this time it's formulated to be a cologne. So I think the Manscaped Cologne would be a very nice gift to give somebody during the holidays. And just to show you guys the quality of the Weed Whacker and the Lawnmower 3.0, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick demonstration because I haven't trimmed my body hairs in a long time, and the same thing with my nose hairs. As you guys can see, the Lawnmower 3.0 is zipping through my chest hairs like butter. The motor has more than enough power to get the job done quickly and with no strings attached. Not to mention, it's a very light product and the grips make it feel nice on my hands while maneuvering around my body. And within less than 30 seconds, I'm already done my left side with absolutely no missed hairs. So I just finished grooming myself up, making myself look silky smooth, thanks to the Lawnmower 3.0, and now I'm going to be using the Weed Whacker to get up in my nose and cut all those hairs. And I know you guys are seeing all that hair on my nose just begging to get cut off. In less than 90 seconds, I was completely done weed whacking my nose hairs. The product works perfectly, and I couldn't be happier not having all those hairs tickling the inside of my nose anymore. Cue the music! I can breathe clearly now, the nose hairs are gone. Beautiful. So this holiday season, consider grabbing yourself, a loved one, or a friend Manscaped's Performance Package and Refined Cologne. Manscaped has also given me a special 20% off plus free international shipping discount code, which should only make this holiday season shopping that much easier. Use promo code ALK20 to get yourself 20% off plus free international shipping. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!